A warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Laramie, Wyoming.
We're at 389. So we're in the middle of that.
We're right here talking.
Yeah.
I'm watching this right here above us.
I'm watching for that baseball-sized hail. Shit.
Clouds right here above us. Look at the spinning.
Yep. Oh, you see that shit?
Yeah. I see that little white funnel right there too.
With Mac. Oh man, Ed Sheeran was dishing out all kinds of dirt.
Oh yeah, look how much that cloud's spinning right there.
See it now on our website, star929online.com.
Oh boy.
The best place to find the lovers of the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast and then we talk slow.
Just right here above us.
We start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a try.
Yeah, this is crazy. Feel how calm it got too? These clouds up here. Yeah, there's a lot of emergency people coming through because there's tornadoes in the area. That weather just changed. Do you feel that temperature? It is warm all of a sudden. Watching this right above us, man. Those clouds, I've never seen clouds like that. Gosh. I don't have any service right here, so. So for the record, I'm happy because I forgot to do this. So if we die, I died happy. Just, if somebody finds my phone, I've always been so terrified of tornadoes, but so fascinated.
Yeah, Pine Bluff's 10 miles. That's the city name.
That's the one they were talking about. Look at this stuff right now.
Come on, be my baby. 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 Come on, be my baby.
It's chance for cheap gas in Wyoming. Wow, it's the best. Yeah.
How close?
10 miles.
10 miles?
10, 15.
So we could say we're in Kansas. Keep saying that. Nebraska.
That's nice. That last chance for cheap gas in Wyoming.
That one right there.
Yep.
Are you watching that?
Oh, shit. Damn.
I'm in love with the shape of you. Star 92.9.
That's a foreigner.
Yeah, that could be a big one too. So that one behind us just kind of went away.
Yeah, I don't see that one back there.
Yeah. That's another one. be real.
Yep. Right there. Look how low it's getting already. All that emergency people are up there. You see them?
Yeah, I think they're getting up there.
I think they're there for first responders. Because the warning just went out. Yeah.
That's no joke.
Looks like it's going more that way though, the storm itself.
Yeah, north.
Yeah. Well, was going northeast. Oh, look at it dropping. Look at it dropping. You see those clouds dropping right there? Holy crap. That just may happen in that one. Yeah. That is wicked cool. Look at it spinning. You see that one cloud right there?
Yeah.
Right there. I'm watching you. I see you.
Like still big though. It looks almost like that last one.
Yeah.
Real big.
It's funneling good right there at the bottom.
Got this here too.
Yeah. That stuff over here is crazy too. Oh, look. Somewhere I just saw it. Or was it the reflection of my flash or something? Damn it. I don't know why my flash is
Shit, look above your head now. Look at the glass. See that shit moving back? You got the one sitting up the top high, and
Yeah,
these low
the
ones
slow
moving back
ones.
this way. Look through the glass, baby. The top here.
Oh, through the top. Yeah, how they look different.
Those
They're
right
going
there.
different
See how they're
directions.
going back this way.
Oh. Look at that. Look at that coming together right there. Holy shit. That is coming together. Look at it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's fixing to clash. Look at that. Oh. My gosh. I think yeah. Do you see those two clouds clashing over there?
Yeah, I'm looking at the shit above me and around. Yeah, it's all part of that kind of.
Oh, jeez. That is awesome. Yeah. I think it's bust out right here. Yep. Look at that funnel. You see the funnel in it yet? If you can see it through my camera, it looks like way huge.